This next exception example, we're going to be based on patients. So let me refresh the list for patients here, grab active only. Take a look at some tags. Patient tags is, to be more specific, it's what I'm looking after. When I look at the list of tags, I have some tags over here. First, I'm going to create a new tag. I'm going to click on this little gear, which brings me the list of tags, and I'm going to manage my list of tags. I'm going to say repro package fee. I'm going to give it a special color. Let's try the basic color for kind of dark pink. I think I already have one there for dark pink. Colors is always a problem here. I'm gonna use a dark green just to be different. For color is gonna be white so I can read this better. Alright, so I have a repro package tag and I am now closing. Should refresh the list. I'm going to apply the repro package tag and save. So now this mare is tagged to be under repro package. Could be shoot fee, and the point is that you can grab any mare, any patient here. In my case, I'm using mares, and I simply apply the tag. And as you can see, Wise Option allows you to, either customers or patients, to have multiple tags. Now for the exceptions, I can say all the patients that have that tag will not receive a charge for certain drugs. You can be specific about the drugs, the drug type, the drug category. I think you got the idea. The only difference here in the task, I'm going to use here my example 3. I will not create a new one. Instead of using the customer tag, I would have here patient tag, and I would put here reproduction package, whatever, and I could determine task files or not, and I can say everything. You can be very specific about the drugs, and in that case it applies. I will, on second thoughts, let me create, because I want to show you about the groups as well. I'm going to say example for patient tags certain tasks, and the first thing, like I said, is going to be, I can just type tag, and I'm going to use the patient tag equals. So if the patient has a tag for repro package fee, certain drugs, and here I'm going to add a group, because multiple drugs, I'm going to relate multiple drugs. And when I'm relating, when I'm creating a list of multiple items, instead of and, this should be or. So I'm going to say if the task file it's equals, I'm going to say here Coggins. I'm not paying attention very much to the name right now. I just want you to see what I'm trying to achieve here at this point. Or if it is, for example, deworm, or if it is, let's say, palpation. So if the patient has that tag and I'm charging one of these items, I'm going to change the price to 0. And I have my exception done. So now all the patients with that, I just created an example of shoot fee. Of course, that my titles here might not be the best ones, but you got the idea. So today you've learned how to use patient tags and combining multiple tasks in one group using the or statement instead of and. Thanks for watching.